Hi crocheters of the world, in this tutorial we will work together on this lovely summer bag. It's that, what can I say, I don't especially like bags, crochet bags. I'm not a kind of crochet bags, really, and if you know me and if you know my tutorials, you know that there are a few crochet bags in them. Because I really don't like them, but for the summer I think some crochet bags are just lovely. And actually last year I did two tutorials, two designs of round summer bags, and now this year this is the first one. Maybe there will be one more or two, or I really don't know. Now when we received this lovely yarn, this is yarn for bags, okay, it's in recycled cotton, it's really lovely, and we also made kit with all that you need. So we put the link, I put the link below. You have it in our you can purchase it from our boutique, so you have all in it, the handles, of course the yarn, and this bottom. I walk you step by step through this pattern stitch. This kind of decoration, I put it on the joining part. It's the link double crochet, and look at it, isn't it just lovely stitch, and it's perfect. I don't know, I love it. Yes, I can say I love it, and I hope you will like it too. So the link of the kit with all that you need to work it is in the box below, and let's get started. 4.5 millimeters hook, sorry, 4 and 4.5. So I will work the first round with a 4 millimeters hook, and you can find this lovely, beautiful, so high quality crochet hooks into our boutique. I put the link below, and we will begin here with a single crochet, and then into the same space we will work one more, and this is how we will continue on. So one single crochet into two single crochets into each space, okay, like this, and just go ahead and work all around. On this one I will put the link below of the base 2, so you can purchase it from our boutique if you want to. And don't forget that we ship only in Europe. We will end up with 80 single crochets, because I have all around 40 spaces. Okay, that's it. This is what I have here. Finished my round, and I will take off the loop from the hook, insert hook into the first single crochet from the back to the front, put again the loop on the hook and pull through. We can also first pull the yarn, so pull like this. Okay, now chain one. Next round will be again a single crochet round, so I chained one. Now I just insert hook into the first single crochet here, and I will begin with my first single crochet, and just single crochet into each single crochet all around. The only thing that you need to work, you have to work 4 increases on both sides, so 2 on both sides, 4 totally. Total of increase must be 4, so 2 on both sides. It's just random, so where you want them to be. No, it has no, it is not important where, but it is important to work them. Okay, as I finish this second single crochet row, I will begin with actually the pattern stitch. I finished my second single crochet round, and now I have 84 single crochet. I switched to 4.5 millimeters hook, chained 2, yarn over, and exactly where I finished my round, I will insert hook and work 1 double crochet. This is the normal double crochet. From the second we will begin to work with the linked double crochet. So insert hook, we don't yarn over, we insert hook into this horizontal bar, pull up a loop. This is the second loop. Now we insert hook into the next single crochet where we want to work the stitch. We pull up another loop. Now we yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, this is the second. And now again into this horizontal bar, pull up a loop, then into the stitch that we want to work, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And this is how we will continue on all around. So one double linked double crochet into each single crochet for a total of 84. So I finished my first round, and I want to show you how to join. Now of course, to join we must be very, very careful of this joining, because we actually want it to be nice and snug. Okay, like this, because it must be a invisible joining, almost invisible. Okay, so chain 2 and we are ready to begin. Always begin into the stitch where you joined. And now, as you can see, I have some markers here. I have 84 stitches all around, and kind of we need 18 on these sides. And here of course we will have 24 and 24. So from marker to marker I have 24 and 24. On this 18 we will increase. So I will count in each sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So into the second I will increase. So yarn over, work your first double crochet like this, and now we will work our second, which is a linked double crochet. We will always work with the linked double crochet, and the next will be into the same stitch, so will be a increase. And then I will just continue on working working 6 double crochets. So I will work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6 I will increase again, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6, which is before the marker, I will increase again. Work all this side. Then on the other side you will begin with 6. Into the 6 you will increase, and increase before the marker, and then work all to the end. Then you will just work 2 rounds without increasing. I finished my round with the 3 increases. I already began a new round, and now I just want to tell you how we will continue on for about 10 rounds. We will increase before each of our 4 markers, so the stitch before. Now before I want to say this part, so don't increase on this part in between the markers, okay? So before each marker you will increase once, obvious, in each round for about 10 rounds. I will catch you up later to see how it looks and what we need to do after. So I almost ready with my bag. And this is the joining line. It is really beautiful. It is a decoration of the bag. Look at it. It's just lovely. But anyway, I came up with an idea of how to decorate it more. So I will show you the second version. If you don't like this line, I really enjoy it, but if you don't like it, I will show you another idea how to decorate it, so you will have such a perfect bag. Lovely. Now the length, so what I did, I increased 8 rounds, not 10, 8 rounds. You can go ahead and increase for 10 rounds, and then I just went on with the same number of stitches. Okay, so no increasing, nothing, just went on for this part. So a nice and long, it's about 30 centimeters length, and the circumference here is 72 centimeters, so it's nice and long and large. It's medium to a big bag as size. Okay, now I want to show you again when I will finish my last round here. I just want to show you again the joining part, but I think it was just clear enough, and then I will show you how to sew these handles, and then this part. See again how to join, even if, as I said before, I already shown you, but just to be sure. So take off the stitch, it's here. This is the very first stitch. This is the very first stitch. It's here that I will insert hook from the back to the front. Take again the loop and just keep the eye on this stitch. Now pull very tight and work 3 chains nice and tight. Okay, and now yarn over, and this is the stitch that you will insert the hook. Please don't skip this stitch. Put a marker if you are not sure. Do anything you think it's better for you to understand where to insert the hook, but this is the very first stitch, and this is where you have to insert hook and to begin a new round. Okay, don't skip it, because you will have something like very horrible. We need this line to be straight. Okay, so as you can see, it's perfectly straight. It comes with the bag shaping, so it's just lovely. Okay, now this is it. Another thing that I want to show you is this one. You can, if you want to, work a reverse single crochet, so you can chain, go ahead and insert hook into, but I will switch to my 4mm hook, sorry, because when you work this stitch, always switch to at least half. Oh my gosh, where it is, I found it. Okay, so insert hook into the very first here and work a reverse single crochet. What is reverse single crochet? Is actually the single crochet that you work to the right, not to the left as usual. Okay, it's a very nice border, so just go ahead and work all around. Okay, so now let me show you how I want to work here on this line, even if, as I said, it is beautiful, but anyway, so I won't begin here on the border, but let's say here. Okay, so you can see this joining actually lines. Insert hook into that one, maybe from here, okay, into that one, and chain to join and chain 2. Now this one I will pull it on the wrong side and chain 2, and then skip into the next, and same thing, chain to join and then chain 2. I will just continue like this. Now I won't go till the end, but only chain 2, okay, and so on. So it's here, a little bit strange to work this part. Okay. Oh. I will just search for the vertical horizontal bar here. Okay, chain 2, and I will go like this, as I said before. I will go like this until here maybe. Okay, at the end I chained 3, and into each chain 2 space 6 double crochets. Okay, so it is not very easy to work them all, but we can do it. 2, 3, so you can work 5 to 6. Okay, last but not least, how to join these handles. So it is the very first time that I joined this kind of handles to the bag, and I did like this. Actually here I have to join it because I wanted to show you before, so just fix it with some knots like this, and then here I sewn it in 3 points, and then with, of course, a large needle, just go ahead and sew it. This is the idea. Okay, so I did it like this. This is the bag. I really love it. There is the kit, so if you want to purchase the entire material from our boutique, below you have the link of the kit with all that you need to work this lovely, beautifully bag. So thank you for watching. Hope it was helpful for you and it gives you some inspiration for your next project. Bye!